What's up, guys? We're back here again. It's gonna be a quick video today. Finally putting the wheels on, so let's put them on. After waiting the 7 days from painting them, I'm ready to throw these guys on. So I'm gonna load them up in the car, take them to get mounted up. The only thing I'm worried about is when mounting and balancing. Worried about messing up the paint, but I have one more can. If that's the case, after the wheels are on and the tires are on, I might just touch it up, but shouldn't be too bad. Got to save these TPMS sensors, so I'm using a 11mm socket on a 1/4" ratchet. Just gonna remove these and swap them to the new wheels. TPMS. TPMS nut goes on top. Major importance, don't lose this little washer. It sits on top here, goes right here. To reinstall these bad boys, take the sensor up through there, that little washer top there, grab the nut, tighten it back down. Doesn't need to be very tight. Just get it nice and snug. The rubber underneath will actually seal the air from getting out. Alright guys, well, got them all mounted up, got them on the car now, and honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I was going to do this final walk around outside, but it's really windy out there. Nobody likes videos with wind noise, so I'll just take it around here, maybe get some B-roll footage once I get outside. That way I can just put music over it and you don't have to listen to it. Let's check it out. I honestly thought I wasn't gonna like the look without the little center caps, but honestly, I mean up close you can tell, but from far away it doesn't look too bad, honestly. So yeah, it's been kind of not a long journey. I've just been moving slowly at it, but yeah, they're on now. Project Wheel Revive is a success. If you want to see how I remove some plasti dip with air freshener, I'll link that card somewhere up here. That was the first step I had to do. They were in pretty bad condition. Plasti dip wasn't coming off, so make sure you check that video out. And there was a lot of prep work that went into these wheels. Hand sanding, priming, painting, to get them to look like this. If you want to see that video, I'll link it, whichever side it is. Click the card, check that video out. It'll also be in the playlist for my Wheel Revival playlist. A couple videos, 3 videos to be exact, including this one. So make sure you go check all that stuff out. Thanks for watching, guys.